Hi fam, let's talk about the easiest passive income. Yes, one of the easiest way to sit and earn money on autopilot. Now, this money I'm talking about is not the money you need like tomorrow or next year. I'm talking about the money you'll be needing in future to take care of your children's education, to travel, to retire, to do a lot of things. Now is the time to learn how to build the easiest passive income that you don't have to worry yourself about. So yesterday I talked about how you can do a very small interest, a small investment that can give you peace of mind, right? And today I also want to extend that. But meanwhile, happy new month of August. We made it. So, do you know how many more months we are to 2027? My goodness. My goodness. So happy new month. I love you. Thank you for being here. And I wish you all the best. It is all love from here. And please drop in the comment and tell me happy new month to Julia. I want to hear from you. Tell me, what is your wish for this new month of August? What is it, that thing that you really want to achieve in this month of August? Let me know. Happy new month. So wishing you all the best. So this month we are talking about the easiest, laziest passive income, easy money. Of course, one of the things that I love about investing is that every category where you belong, there's something for you. So if you're the kind of person who wants to be building wealth by the side and you want to build massive wealth, I'm going to run it through by you so you can see how you can make plenty money doing later. So we're going to talk about you can invest 5 million in mutual fund in Nigeria. The reason why I'm using 5 million is actually someone sent me a message and said, one of my community members, and said, what can I expect if I put 5 million just once in mutual fund? What am I going to get out of it? And I said, that is a very, very good question. I'm going to make a video out of it. Okay, so let's see how much you're going to be earning when you have a bulk 5 million and you say, I'm going to push it into this one-time investment and that's it. I'm not going to add any other shishi to it and I'm going to leave it like that. So we're going to break it down. So in case you have forgotten what mutual fund is, or you're just meeting me for the first time and you don't know what money market mutual fund is in any way, I'm going to break it down. Mutual funds are a kind of investment vehicles that pool money together. Now think about staying in church and it's offering time and they're passing baskets around and you drop your offering, someone else drops offering, and at the end of the service, they say, oh, our offering today was 2 million. Everybody claps. Woo! So maybe you contributed 1,000 naira, but now the entire mix is 2 million naira. Assuming there's a project they want to use it for, and the target is 1.8 million. You see, they have passed the target, and now they have all the money to use to go for the project. So that is how it works with mutual fund. Investors pool their money together, and with all the money together, the experts, which are the fund managers, are able to invest this money in a mix of assets like money market, bonds, stocks. So I'm going to explain how that works. So like I said, they are run by experts. So you don't have to be the one to be thinking, what do I put this money, which stock, which money market instrument, short-term instrument should I put this money? And they help you to lower your risk because you don't want to suffer, right? You want someone to do all the hard work for you and you enjoy the benefits. That is what you're going to be learning today. And that's one of the things I love about mutual fund. So there are different types of mutual fund. I'm just going to mention 4. There are many of them, okay, depending on the app you're using. I just want to mention these 4 that no matter what, you must get to see these 4. So we have the money market mutual fund, which basically invests your money in short-term investment. They invest your money in treasury bills, commercial papers, things that are like 6 months, 1 year, short-term. So, and of course, the returns are lower. And then there is fixed income or bonds funds where they invest in the federal government federal government bonds. Remember yesterday I talked about the federal government of Nigeria savings bond. So they're putting the money in that kind of fund and the money is there yielding profits for you. And of course they enjoy steady payouts and they have their own percentage returns to always know the percentage returns, know what you're expecting, have an idea, don't just blindly invest. Okay, then there is equity funds where they invest your money in company stocks, and this one, they are looking for higher long-term growth returns, and of course it comes with risk. There is no capital preservation here. When you put your money here, your money can go up, your money can come down, but over time, if you leave your money for at least 1 year and the stock has grown, the fund has done 50%, and you put in 1 million, you would have about 1.5 million. And in the following year, even if they do 2% or minus 2%, and you lose some money, you are not losing a lot of money, because now you have made money in your first year. So it usually favors people who are doing long term. The third one is the balance funds, where there is a mix of stocks and bonds, and they are looking at balancing safety and growth. This is where most people love to play, a lot of professionals, and I know that you watching, you may be interested in that too. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia. Please like this video. Please like, can we get like 100 likes on this video? Like, share this video, drop a comment, wish me happy new month. And of course, here you learn how to make your money work for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like this video, share this video. Someone may just be needing this type of video to get started in investments. Thank you for doing that. Of course, you know I love you. This video is for educational purposes. Now let's get into the breakdown. I want to talk about why slow builders always overtake the money chaser. So there are people who have 5 million and they just want to turn 5 million into 20 million in 1 year. People send those kind of messages to me. Is there any way you can help me turn 5 million into 20 million in 1 year? And I tell them, I'm not a magician. If I was, I'll be able to do that. Neither am I God too. But truthfully, this is why people lose money, because they're looking for a faster way to double and triple their money. If you're going to do that, you're going to be investing in a lot of high risk investment, and if you did not do your research very well, you may fail. And that's one of the things I do for my private coaching clients. We look at your risk tolerance, and we look at opportunities, and we look at percentage that we're looking from them. If we're looking to get 200%, we look at all the options. So you can consider reaching out to me for that private coaching. So every year I see people who are doing quick money schemes and everything, and fast money can be volatile. But I want to show you that you can actually do your simple money and you will gain a lot of money just doing your simple plan. Now, after 10 years, after 20 years, the math is not close. You see people who started with 10 million, and you think that after 10 years of their chasing high returns, you would think the money would have grown to 50 million. They're still in 20 million, and the person who started with 5 million and just started building gradually is beating them after 20 years, after 10 years. So at the end of the day, understand where you are. All right, so I'm going to break it down using a slow money compounding method. Let's say you just have 20k every month. You're not even looking at the 5 million. You're looking at 20,000 naira every single month, and you just want it to compound gradually on auto reinvestment at 20% in returns. You just pick any of the funds like money market funds. Some of them are doing 20%. Now, after 1 year, you will have 264,000. It may not make sense to you, right? After 5 years, you have about 2 million of consistently doing 2 million every single month. After 10 years, we have 7 million. After 20 years, you have 52 million. Doing same thing, nothing has changed. You just automate it every month, and as the salary drops, you just send 20k into this fund. And then after 30 years, you have 381 million. Can you see that number? That's why I say slow money can compound. If you set up this plan for your children, by the time they're getting into university, you have more than enough to take care of them, right? Now, that is easy money, passive money, no watching your portfolio. Oh, is this stock going up or down? You're not doing all those things. You're just doing your normal thing, facing your 9 to 5 work, doing your business, and no guessing. That's easy, passive, sweet way to make money. Now, let's come to the breakdown I told us about the person who asked me if I'm doing just a one-off thing. I'm just want to put in 5 million just once, and this 5 million, it has to stay there for as long as possible. And I said, okay, I'm going to give you a breakdown of how this is going to work, right? So I'm going to use one of the balanced funds. So Stanbic IBTC balanced funds so far this year, year to date, from January till today, has done about 50%, meaning that 5 million will be at about 7.5 million. Can you see the move? So you don't even need to chase, and you can still make good amount of money. Now, let's forget the 50%, right? It may not happen every time. And of course, you know that past returns does not equally guarantee future returns. So let's assume that averagely, this is 25% that we are looking at. Every year, this fund does at least 25%. The lowest it can go is 25%. Year one, the 5 million would have 6.25 million. Now, what you earned is 1.250,000. That's 1,250,000 is what you earned as your interest, your earnings. Then after 5 years, what you would have earned would have been up to 15.2 million. Now, the same one is working for you. You have not added any kobo to that 5 million, but because you let it to be auto reinvested, meaning once they pay, it gets auto reinvested, whether they pay it quarterly or they pay it biannual or once a year, but the money gets reinvested. The money, that 5 million will be worth 15.2 million, and after 10 years, it will be worth 46,566,000. Amazing, right? And after 20 years, it will be worth 433 million naira. Actually, 433,680,000 naira. That's a lot of money for a one-time money just working for you. And of course, after 30 years, you'll be having about 4 billion naira. So this is for us assuming that this money just returns at about 25%. Now imagine if you can do more than 25%. Imagine if you can do like 30%, 40%, 50% year in, year out, and this money is just there once. This is how the rich play the game. It's not the other way around. So for me, because of the access to information we have now and the apps that we have now, this is one of the best times for you to start investing, because there are many things you can do depending on the things you can actually start. You have no excuse. Even if you don't have 5 million, if you do your small 20,000 every month, you can still beat these figures. I'm telling you the honest truth. So come on and join our community. If you really want to learn how to invest, you can come in and join us. We do beyond just mutual fund. We do Nigerian stocks, US stocks, and you join a community of people who are building wealth. You learn, practice, and earn. And we have just 2 slots remaining. The link to pay your 65,000 naira is the access fee for 1 year. The link is in the description. You can send an email if you're interested. But if you really want a one-on-one, you already have some investment, but you are confused. You don't know where you're going to. You want someone to help you to organize them. You can reach out for one-on-one consultation, coaching session. The link is in the description of this video. Just click, you'll see a one-on-one coaching session, and we're going to spend 2 hours plus navigating and looking at where you are, how to get you to the next, and also discovering what your financial goals are like. But if in the community, you get also stock recommendations, dividend challenges, and you understand how to build your wealth, and you get updates that will help you. Your mindset will shift. That's one of the most important things I enjoy in my community. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I've shown you that money invested once can work for you. Money invested every month can work for you. So it's your choice to pick. And most of this investment I just shared with you, you can start with as little as 2,000 to 10,000, 20,000 naira per month. Don't make it a one-off thing, especially when you don't have a lot of money. But if you have small amount, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, make it a monthly thing, commit to it. That is one of the reasons why I wrote my 1 billion wealth plan. And in that book, there's a place where you get to document what you do every month. It's going to be a physical copy and it's going to be out soon. So when it's out, make sure you order for that book. It will give you the best guidance and it will keep you accountable. And such a powerful tool you can use to retire in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years with a lot of money. And I hope you have liked this video. I hope you've shared this video to someone, because there are so many people who are in need of this type of video. So share it with them, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking around to the